Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using a 14-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree, some different ribbons from Amazon mostly, and these egg picks from Dollar Tree. I took 5 different design ribbons and cut strips of 8 inches. You need 18 strips of each pattern. So I took each one and I fishtailed the ends, or dovetailed, however you prefer to call them. And I ended up just bunching a few of them together and doing them all at once just to make it quicker. I then took some twine and just cut some long strips to have those prepared. I took this burlap ribbon, and this one is not wired, but the rest of the ribbon is wired and is 2.5 inches. And I just take each one and bunch it up in the center nice and tight, and then crisscross them back and forth in my hands until I have all 5 pieces. And I alternate the top 2 ribbons on each bundle. That way it's a little different for each one. And then I just take that twine I had cut and wrap it around the center where I was holding it and leave the twine long. That's how you'll attach it to the form. You'll make 18 bundles total, and you'll need about 4 yards of each design ribbon. When attaching them to the frame, you'll use those center 2 rings, alternating each bundle you're putting on. This one I'm putting on the second ring from the center. Just pull the twine through the back around that second ring and tie it a couple times and cut off the excess twine. So that one was on the second ring. This one will be on the third. Just take that twine around the third ring, wrap it around a couple times, cut off the excess, and then back down to the second ring. You will have 3 bundles per section, 18 total. And then you just keep that going, alternating the second and third rings. Once I have it filled in, I'm working with the egg picks from Dollar Tree. I cut a bunch of floral wire and I remove the little stems from the egg. Take a piece of wire, fold it in half, twist the end that's folded, and then just kind of wrap it around itself a little bit so it's wider. Hot glue that part that I had folded, and then place that where the little stem was on the egg. So I do that, 2 of each color. To attach them, I take the 2 pieces of wire and fish it through around one of the wire frames, and then twist the wire, wrapping it around and then cutting off the excess and folding down the piece that I had cut so it's not sharp. And I do the same with the other eggs, just alternating the colors throughout. And I just give them a little bit of spacing just so they look somewhat even around the frame. That's it for today's project. Thank you so much for watching.